It's just that something better will come along. So I'm gonna wait for it. I'm gonna wait for my time. Di ba nga, we all have our winning moments. Winning moments. Anyway, I really love that perspective. It's really a matter of reframing your mindset, your perspective. Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, actually. Kasi yun naman talaga yung parang punot dulo eh. If hindi mo babaguhin yung mindset mo about certain things, like if you won't change your perspective, you won't get anywhere. Every day you're going to tell yourself, no, hindi naman ako talaga magaling. Hindi naman ako kasing galing ni Bobby. Stop being a teddy. Stop comparing yourself to Bobby, to Alex, to Gabby. You have your own strengths. So don't doubt yourself na hindi ka kasing galing ng iba. So stop comparing. Isa din yan sa nakakapagpaano ng self-doubt natin eh. Yung parang nakakapag ano ng apoy. Magko-compare pa tayo. Ang dami na nating pinagdadaanan, magko-comparean pa tayo. Like, wag na. Stop na nun. Pagod na ako. Pwede man dalawa lang. As time goes by, parang mas nagiging unsure ako if I want to upload this kasi it's very unorganized or disorganized. Disorganized is very messy. And even though I have an outline, grabe yung segue ko, I have a hard time remembering things that I have to say. And before I end this very weird, all over the place podcast, I just want to tell you and remind you and again reiterate that every time you're doubting yourself because of someone or because of something that happened in the past, one of my favorite Stoic quotes is Memento Mori. So it means remember that you will die. Although it sounds morbid and it might sound negative, it's actually a very positive way to look at how you're living right now. Ang gusto niyang sabihin is that remember that you will die. Choose your actions, choose your thoughts, choose your words wisely. Make your time meaningful while you're still alive. Isipin nyo na one of these days, we don't know when, we will all die. Instead of wasting your time doubting yourself, doubting your capabilities, doubting whether you should try this, you should try that, stop. Isipin mo, takot kang ma-judge. Yung mga nang judge sa'yo, nakakatulog sila ng mahimbing. Kasi wala lang sa kanila yun eh. Parte ng buhay nila na maging hater. Parte ng buhay nila na mang-judge. So, wala lang yun sa kanila. Pero ikaw, nandito. You're suffering, overthinking, just doubting yourself. Wag ko na kayang ituloy kasi wala na may gusto ng content ko. How about those who loved it? Yan din ang mga napapansin ko actually sa celebrities every time that I go to the comment section. Even not celebrities, just public figure like content creators and others. There's a lot of like meaningful conversations, meaningful comments, very positive comments, thousands, but they will choose to reply to that one hater. Like, why would you waste your time explaining yourself? This person is really just wants he just they want well, they just really want to hate. Yun yung napapansin ko. Mas pinipili nilang bigyan ng pansin yung mga hindi nakakaintindi nung message nila. One of the things na naiisip ko kung bakit is because they're afraid. They don't want to be judged. But the thing is, you don't have to explain yourself to anyone else. The more you engage, parang the more na mag-grow din yung ayoko na, pagod na ako. Wala nang sense yung sinasabi ko. May nasabi ba akong tips? Pero one of the things that I do is that I celebrate a lot of my small wins. It may not be something big, like getting promoted. Small wins lang like I finished my work on time, hit this daily step today. It's very important to celebrate those. Kasi the more you celebrate those, the more na mas magiging confident ka sa sarili mo. It will prompt you to focus only on your winning moments. Ako sa sarili ko, I want to stop suffering. I want to stop feeling I'm not good enough. Like, I'm not earning enough, I'm not living enough, I'm not enough. And I hope pagod ka na rin. Kasi even though you hear this and you want to overcome your self-doubt, hindi mo siya magagawa unless you're ready, or unless you have the courage to do so. This is just me pushing you na even though it's not perfect, even though you already failed in the past, even though people will judge you, just go for it. Because what's the worst thing that could happen if you follow your dreams? Yun na lang yung isipin mo. Okay? Dami mong pag-iisipan ngayong gabi or kung anong oras niyo man to napanood. Yeah. I hope something sticks with you. I hope kahit isa lang ngayong week, try doing something na parang akala mo nun hindi mo kaya. Just do it. Gusto mo mag-backflip? Start practicing mag-backflip. And yeah, reframe your mindset. Don't say na hindi ko kaya mag-backflip. Say, hindi ko pa kayang mag-backflip ngayon. Pero pag-aaralan ko. Ako sa sarili ko, right now, I'm not doubting na hindi ko kakayanin on what it takes to be a content creator. Kasi I'm just starting eh. I can't compare myself to the the girlies that I'm watching because they started years ago. They already passed the awkward, the struggling, the learning phase of content creation. Ako, magsisimula pa lang ako. So, kung hindi man perfect tong video na to, lumilipad yung utak ko, yung isip ko dahil brain fog. I just know, pagdadaanan ko din lahat ng phases na yun, then I can have what it takes. So, kaya kong maging content creator. Hindi pa siya perfect, pero pag-aaralan ko siya. I will never say na I don't have what it takes. I have what it takes. I just have to learn it. I just have to practice it. And I hope you do the same for you. Okay? Fighting. Go for your dreams. Kahit anong sabihin ng iba, isipin nyo na lang tae sila.